goes.
You got it?
Hey, look at that bug.
Yep, reel it in.
Feel it, feel it, feel it. It's stuck. Very stuck over there.
Okay, I got it. I see it. Okay, there it is.
There. Thank you. Talking. Can you see it?
Yep,
It's right there.
yep.
It's tiny.
That's tiny.
Now it's growing big. No, it's growing big. 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 Growing big. Growing big.
Okay, cast it. It's good. It's not twisted.
It's big.
Can you make it go out, way out?
I think he's a look. He's a nice boy.
You got it. Whoop.
Oh, you get that one for me. It's very tangled. Mommy's car is tangled.
You want to clear over Mommy's car.
Uh-huh.
I hear it.
It just popped
Okay, reel it
right
in.
out. It just popped right out, Papa.
I know. Okay, reel it in. Good job, buddy. Bring in the big one. Bring in the big one. You get him?
Yeah, I just got him.
Wow. Uh-oh, it's tangled. Untangle it. Okay, you got it. It's good.
Okay. I just almost hit the door.
Almost hit the door.
That's really cool. These are string. This is the stringling-dang string. That, okay, this is the string that pulls up the big gooey fish.
Big gooey fish.
And there it comes. And you throw it again. And you hang it up. And you throw it again. You get it up. And you throw it again. You throw it again. And you just roll it and roll it up. And you just
Roll it in. Reel it in. Reel it in. Get that big one. Get it. Pull up. Pull up. Up. Reel it in.
I can't do it.
Reel it in some more. Jerk it up.
I can't do it.
Reel it.
I can't do it.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
You need some help? Oh, just like that. See that? That's how you get fish up. Can't have this tangled up. Okay, there you go. You can finish reeling it.
How you reel it in?
You know how.
You can do it like that.
Yep.